The general controls and how to start the engine up are fairly straightforward. You'll put the key in the switch, then you'll turn it to the right, and you'll turn it once more, and you'll see the green light come on. That's warming up the diesel engine, and then you turn it once more, and that is the engine running. Here is your temperature gauge. If that goes past 80, it can mean that you'll need to empty the weed strainer. If it goes past that even further, the alarm will sound and you'll need to stop the boat in a safe place and wait for the engine to cool down and probably empty the weed strainer. These are the rest of the batteries for domestic, inverter and starter battery. Here's obviously your fuel gauge. Turn off. Just simply turn it to the left. If the engine gets too hot, or before you set off, open the engine bay when it's cool and the engine's off. Here is the weed strainer. Now there's a lever at the bottom here, which when you're going should be pointing upwards, but to cut it off and to empty the weed strainer, push the lever towards the back of the boat. Unscrew the top, pull out the weed strainer and clear it. Currently this is already empty. There is a stick there which you can use to poke any weed out, and then replace it back in the hole. Screw the top on and then pull the lever back up to open it. You can lift the hatch to access the engine bay, and there are a few things to note. If any bilge water is building up down here, you may see it. If the engine bilge could be periodically emptied, that would be good, and it's done by pressing this and holding this button for approximately 30 seconds, and you let go. If the light doesn't come on when you press it, you may need to reset the fuse by pressing there.